Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel and आज हम सीखेंगे कि how to set up a Linux terminal on MacBook Pro or MacBook. So first of all, you need Homebrew for that. I hope you have Homebrew installed. And to check if you have it installed or not, just type this command, brew version. It should show Homebrew, some 5.x or something, whatever your version is. And after this, you need Lima for that if you want a Linux terminal. So we will be doing brew install Lima. Now the system says Lima is already installed because I've installed it. So you install Lima and then you need to create an instance of a VM. Okay, so the options that you'll be having is to see the options that you'll be having is for that write this command limactl create, and suppose whatever the name of the instance that you want. Suppose I want to do Oracle Linux. Limactl create Oracle Linux. And now you need to choose the configuration. So you have to go to choose another template. Now you have a huge variety of options that you can choose from. For example, I am doing Oracle Linux 9, okay? And now after choosing it, I have to proceed with the current configuration and press enter. And this will now start installing Oracle Linux 9. It has installed it. Now I'll be running limactl start Oracle Linux. And let's go. Now we will be doing Control C to exit this because वो हो गया है install. If I again run limactl start Oracle Linux, it is already running. And now to use the shell of the Oracle Linux, limactl shell Oracle Linux, and there you go. There you have your Linux shell running. Suppose I write who am I. Okay, uname. Hey, these are all Linux commands. Suppose you do ls. Okay, so this is, wait a second. Yeah, now if I do ls, okay, make dir hello, cd hello. You can see you have your Linux terminal now. So we are done. And if you want to exit this, just type exit and you have exited it. Another thing, if at any point you want to delete the instance, you would first need to stop your instance that is running. Limactl stop Oracle Linux if you want to delete it, because if I try deleting it, it won't delete. It would say that it's running. So we will first now it has stopped. Now I'll be doing suppose delete. It has started. It has deleted. Sorry. So thanks for watching this video. Do mention in the comments what did you like and what type of videos you would want me to make. Thanks for watching this video.